Hello everyone, I'm ARTiro, and today I have a challenge. I am going to set a timer for 10 minutes and see if I can make a game in Scratch. If you guys don't know what Scratch is a programming website which uses very simple block code and allows the user to make anything they want, from animations to games to movies or whatever the frick you want to make, you can make in Scratch. It's so diverse and it's amazing. So I'm going to be timing myself in this video for 10 minutes and see what I can create. This is my 10-minute Scratch game. The timer is going to begin in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so I don't know, I haven't used Scratch in probably like 5 or 6 years, so I need to first of all get used to all these things. They've definitely added a lot more since the last time I've used it, which, okay, I do know that the green starts it, so we're gonna have a green. When it's clicked, we will have a forever, because we want this to have it forever. And, oh, we should probably make, we need to make sprites first. Okay, hold up, we'll make a ARTiro sprite. Oh god. Okay, wait, maybe not. We can't get too creative with this. We're gonna have Danny. My man is a legend. He's a little too big though. We're gonna make him the hero, and we're gonna make me, ARTiro, the villain. So when clicked forever, we're gonna have him move. We need to have him move. Where's the motion? Okay, we're gonna make him move 10 steps. Not there. We're gonna have to put it here. So when that's clicked, he's gonna move forever, and he's going to turn, go to, glide, no, point towards Danny, and he's gonna move 10 steps. Now we're gonna go to Danny, and we're gonna make Danny be able to. We're gonna make Danny controlled by the user. So when that's clicked, Danny is going to be moving. I could make it where they use WASD to move, but instead I'm thinking we're gonna have him. God, there's so many things. It's so hard to like find things in this. How much time do I have? I only have 8 minutes left. Oh my god. We're gonna make him point in the direction of the mouse clicker, not the other way around. Oh, there we go. Okay, so if we run this right now, yes. Okay, that looks a little weird, and that's okay because I forgot to change ARTiro, which is the villain, to 5. So now if it happens, he's gonna be slightly faster. I like it. Actually, I don't like Danny though. Danny might have to go. Instead of Danny, we're going to have, or no, he doesn't have to go. We have to just make the sizes smaller. We have to make this 50. We need to make this 20 maybe? Yeah, because then we have a bigger playing field for all these characters. Okay, nice. I like it. So now we need to have a control. If we have if ARTiro touches, we need to have a touches. Touch. Where's the touch thing? Would it be in, no, not in sound. It should be right here. Touches, there we go. Sensing. It should be in sensing, that makes sense. If touching Danny, how do we stop the game? Stop all. If touching Danny, stop all. Oh god, what else? Okay, that's good for now. We only have 6 minutes left. Where should this background be? Let's make the background in Galaxy. I love it. So now we need to have a counter, right? We're trying to make Danny. Okay, yeah. See, he touched him, so he stopped. Oh god, we gotta also move them away. So the strategy is we need to make Danny be able to run away from ARTiro for as long as possible. So we're trying to keep him as far away from ARTiro, and we need to have some sort of time limit, right? We need to have a time limit. So we need to have a variable. We need to have a variable, make a variable time for all sprites, and we have time and set time. So we're gonna have set time to 60. Let's just have 60 seconds. And if time, no wait, if time, if what? Ah, yes, if time equals 0, then we will stop all. Okay, if time equals 0, stop all. Not stop all, stop other scripts and sprite. Wait, no. What does that do? Okay, wait, no. Stop all. Just stop all. We don't need to get it fancy. Oh god, we only have 4 minutes left. We also need to go to operators and how would we make? We need to make time go down 1. So we're gonna wait. I'm confused. Okay, wait. We need to. When that's clicked, we're gonna have 2. So when it's clicked, both of these happen. When that's clicked, set time. We're gonna have that in a whole separate thing, so it doesn't stop that. We're also gonna make ARTiro go a little slower. We're gonna make him go 3, so it's a bit easier to escape. So time equals 60, and we need to wait 1 second, and then it needs to be in a forever. Oh god. Forever, time equals 60, and then god dang, this is very difficult. This is very difficult. Maybe that? No, that would have to. How do we make it? I feel like I've been off more than I can chew here. How do I make it? Change variable by 1. There we go. Okay, change forever. Change variable by -1, and change time by -1. So if we start this, yes. Okay, I think we are all good here. The time is going to go down. I don't have time to waste all that, so we're gonna just go for 5 seconds really quickly, just as a test. So if I survive for more, oh god, yes, it worked. We don't need this wait 1 second, because that made it weird. That's a lie. We needed the 1 second. God dang it. Where's the 1 second? There we go. There we go. Okay. So, if we survive the time, that means that it works. I think I need to make this 1 though, because it looks like there's an extra second that happens. Okay, never mind. I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. And that is the game. It's a very simple game. I still have 1 minute 30 seconds, so I could still improvise some stuff. I can broadcast some messages when things happen. So we can say broadcast message, new message, Danny won. So when the time hits 0, Danny won. And then we can go to here and we can broadcast the message, Danny, oh, it's not typing, Danny lost. So we have Danny lost, Danny won, and if we start it and if we get touched, where did the broadcast, wait, where's the broadcast happening? God, we only have 44 seconds. Where's the broadcast going on? No. Shouldn't it say what? When I oh shoot, I need to do a whole nother thing. When I receive broadcast. Oh, I can't really do much with that actually. Ask what your name is. That what will that mean? It asks your name. Okay, no. I think that is it though. I think that's all we can do. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the things to work. But oh wait, let me really quickly change time to 60 like it's supposed to be intended. And that is the time. Time's up. So, oh god, that was very that was really stressful. We can go and end the thing. And now it's time to present the final product. Are you guys ready? Hopefully it doesn't all crash and burn. I really hope that doesn't happen. Okay, so we start it, and we need to basically just avoid the little cat who's named ARTiro using our mouse cursor. Oh, you wanna give me? Ah, you thought. Oh, you wanna give me? Ah, you thought. And yeah, we just have to survive him for a minute, and we win the game. I only had 10 minutes to do this, and this was the first time I've used the application Scratch in like 6 years. So I'm not gonna go too hard on myself and say that I think this was a success. I really enjoyed doing it, and the game itself is very, very basic and not too hard to make or play, I guess. But if I had like 10 more minutes, I would have probably added more obstacles, like maybe like meteors or something falling down, because we're in space, so maybe meteors that you have to also dodge. And there we go, the time has ended. That means I won. I would have also gotten the broadcast to work, which I actually am curious how. I think we had to definitely go to looks or something. I'm an idiot. All I had to do was do that and then change that to Danny Lost. That's all I had to do. So if I, yep, there we go. So all I had to do was go whoop. But yeah, this was Scratch. We figured out how to fix the problem that I was having. I only had 10 minutes to do this, and I actually really enjoyed this. So if you guys liked this type of content, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let me know what else I should do with Scratch. Maybe I can play other people's games, or maybe I can also make more games and you guys can play them. So comment down below what I should do in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.